In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a seller on eBay. If you're trying to view everything a particular seller has for sale, the fastest way is to use eBay's advanced search. Start on the eBay homepage. Up by the main search bar, you'll see a small link labeled advanced. It's easy to miss because it sits off to the side, but give that a click. This opens a powerful set of search tools that go beyond the standard keyword search. Once the advanced search page loads, look for the section that focuses on sellers. It's called By Seller. Click that option to tell eBay you want to narrow results based on who's listing the items, not just what the items are. This section is designed specifically for buyers who want to browse a particular shop or verify a seller's current offerings. Next, choose the option for specific sellers. This tells eBay you have a particular seller in mind rather than browsing all sellers that match a broader filter. Selecting specific sellers keeps your results tightly focused and avoids unrelated listings slipping into the results. Now type the seller ID into the field provided. This is the exact username the seller uses on eBay. To avoid typos, it's best to copy it directly from the seller's profile, a past message, or a listing where you've already seen their name. Make sure you include any numbers, hyphens, or underscores exactly as they appear. If you're not getting the results you expect, double check for extra spaces before or after the name, and confirm you're using the seller's current username. When you're ready, click Search. eBay will display all active listings from that seller. From here, you can scan through their items just like any regular search. To zero in on what you want faster, use the filters on the left side of the page to refine by category, price range, condition, item location, or shipping options. You can also change the sort order to show newly listed items first or organize by price. If you want to confirm you're viewing the right shop, check the seller information at the top of the results for the username and feedback score. If you see no results, the seller might not have any active listings at the moment, or the username may have been entered incorrectly. Try retyping it carefully. Once you find the seller, consider saving the search so it's easy to revisit their new listings later. That's all there is to it. Use advanced. Choose By Seller, pick specific sellers, enter the seller ID, and search. Happy browsing and enjoy finding exactly what you're looking for on eBay.